Alright, this is Chapter 5, Section 1, Part 2 of Verifying Trig Identities. This one is one video, and we have to look at both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So our essential question is the same. What sorts of functions can we construct with Pythagorean identities? So again, if you don't have these written down, it does help to have all of these written down. I would do that now. And if you do have these written down, then you probably already have your graphic organizer from last pod. So we're going to work with one problem for the entire video. So you want to write this down, and we're going to start working on each side separately. So we're going to work on the left side and simplify it, and then we'll go to the right side and do the same thing. So if we begin working on the left side, you need a common denominator for these. So I'm going to multiply each of the opposite sides by the denominator. So that means I multiply the first one by 1 minus sine theta. So you should have on the top 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. Now I'm going to multiply the second fraction by 1 plus sine theta. And now we're just going to simplify these. So we have 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta. And you will FOIL your denominator, which would give you 1 minus sine squared theta. Your middle term would cancel out. Up top, you have negative sine theta and positive sine theta, so those will cancel each other out, so you have 2, 1 plus 1, over, remember your Pythagorean identity, so this is really cosine squared theta, and we're going to leave it at that. So you can simplify it down to here. The other part you could go to is if you wanted to, you could do 2 secant squared theta. But we're going to leave it at 2 over cosine squared theta. Now let's look at the right-hand side. So we have 2 plus 2 tangent squared theta. We're going to convert tangent So all we did was convert tangent squared theta into sine squared theta over cosine squared theta. So now we need a common denominator as well. So if we combine our like terms, or just combine our fractions, so you have your Pythagorean identity, so sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. So you have 2 times 1, which is just 2, over cosine squared theta. So when you work with your left side, so 1 over 1 plus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta, you get 2 cosine squared theta. And on the right side, 2 plus 2 times tangent squared theta equals 2 over cosine squared theta. So it is the left equals the right. So you do want to make sure you complete the questions below and complete your homework assignment, and you are good on this pod. Awesome job.